So one thing I learned as a part of my IB experience at DAIS was how to manage my time and how to multitask effectively. I learned how to make time for my own tests and assignments, and I felt like the DAIS IB teachers were extremely helpful, accommodating, and flexible in helping me and making this whole process a lot easier and enriching at the same time.
As a student of the diploma program at DAIS, I learned to travel outside the bounds of rote learning and truly understand the knowledge and the crux of the information that was being explained to us. As a DAIS IBDP graduate, I can truly say that I do not know of a curriculum that is more well-rounded or versatile than the IBDP.
The flexibility of the IB curriculum allowed me to pursue a number of subjects that I was interested in, and the multiple assignments in each of those subjects made sure that I had an in-depth understanding of the subject, as well as helped me develop essential skills including prioritization, commitment, and time management. Overall, the IB has definitely made me a more disciplined and a more reflective individual.
One thing about the IB program at DICE that I really appreciated was that in every single class, we always went beyond the textbook and we always explored new concepts that we would not have ordinarily done, just for the joy of learning.
The reason the IB Diploma program at DIS really stands out is because of the excellence in teaching. Whether you're taking a class in a subject that you know you want to pursue in the future, or one that you're simply interested in exploring, each and every class is engaging, and our teachers really challenge you to push yourself and develop those critical reasoning and thinking skills that you need to be successful in the IB program. Being an IB student at DIS also means you will be part of an incredible community of people who want to see you succeed and are ready to guide and support you in all your academic and personal goals and make sure that your journey to college is a smooth and memorable one.
In my experience, the current IB curriculum is the closest that exists to a global or truly international curriculum. As a student of the social sciences and the humanities, I was encouraged to explore not just my local or national identity, but also my identity as a global citizen. And I think that this ability to not just study information in a vacuum, but in a broader context, truly inculcates critical thinking and research skills, and it'll be my biggest takeaway from the IB curriculum.
I think what makes the IBDP at DAIS so special is the wide range of subjects they offer. I was able to take mathematics and theatre at the high level, and I think taking a subject like mathematics that is so rigorous, as well as something like theatre that allows you to express yourself and bring out your creativity, is really what the IB is all about. And I think DAIS does such a good job at offering that because of the faculty. All the teachers are so dedicated to creating a classroom environment that is collaborative, that is encouraging, and that really allows you to grow as a person and as a student. It's things like these that really allow you to grow into a holistic person, and this interdisciplinary nature of the IB and of Ambani's approach to the IB is really what sets it apart.
One standout thing about IB at DAIS is that most of your classes will have people who are really passionate about the subject and they feel like they chose it, and that's why for me a lot of my classes were just really stimulating and interesting environments with really cool discussions. Also, the class sizes are really small, so not only do you get to properly connect with your classmates, your teacher will in my experience, keep pretty detailed track of where you started and where you ended up, and will know with a lot of detail which areas you struggle with, so you just get a really personalized experience in that way.
I think one of the best things about the IB curriculum is that it fosters a sense of humility and wonder at the interconnectedness and the complexity of the world, and that the curriculum is set up in such a way that students are encouraged not only to delve deeply into their chosen set of subjects, but also to think critically about the connections between disciplines and to explore the nature of science and knowledge production itself. And I believe that DAIS really does take advantage of all of these different aspects, and so it's a very supportive environment in that sense.
I got to study the subjects that I loved in depth, and I also got to explore psych, which was a completely new subject for me, but studying psych is what really sparked my interest in neuro as a specialty. One more thing that I absolutely really loved and enjoyed about IB was the CAS aspect. Volunteering at Advitya, which is an NGO for those suffering from mental disabilities, every Friday, and just going there and spending time with them, dancing with them, playing with them. It was the highlight of my entire week. So I just feel all in all, the IB is just a very holistic program.
At its core, the IB Diploma program cultivates a sense of curiosity and a desire to learn more within the students. I believe that this ideology is also strongly complemented by the faculty at DAIS, who not only push us to do our best, but also constantly encourage us to question why things are the way that they are. This helps students develop a sense of introspection, so I'm very grateful to my teachers for that.